Flat roofs in the US usually come in two main types. Built-up roofs made of layers of asphalt and tar paper topped with pea gravel, or membrane roofs, which are basically big plastic sheets covering your roof. So, if you're thinking about which flat roof to pick, here are some tips you'll want to keep in mind. First off, built-up roofs are solid because they last over 20 years and are pretty easy to patch up when stuff goes wrong. The pea gravel on top isn't just for looks. It protects the layers underneath and helps water evaporate so it doesn't pool too long. Membrane roofs are newer and come with options that can last up to 50 years, which is super appealing if you want something low maintenance. These plastic sheets come in different thicknesses, so you can pick one based on your budget or how much wear you expect. When installing either type, make sure the contractor is experienced because leaks can happen if it's not done right. Also, regular inspections and cleaning can save you a ton of trouble down the road. Don't ignore debris or standing water. If you're unsure, ask for warranties and check what they cover so you're protected. One of the biggest mistakes with flat roofs is ignoring drainage. If water pools for too long, it can cause leaks or structural damage, so always make sure gutters and drains are clear. Another common issue is poor installation, especially with membrane roofs, where seams aren't sealed properly, leading to water getting under the plastic sheet. Hiring a skilled contractor fixes this. Finally, people often forget to maintain their roof regularly. Skipping inspections lets small cracks or damage turn into big, expensive problems, so set a reminder to check your roof at least twice a year. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about flat roofs. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people looking for reliable help and grow your business.